Whew. Pero solid to. Ito yung pop na hinahanap ko na may sariling imahe. Kasi yung ibang P-pop, the way sila kumanta, mala Korean yung pronunciation. Yung the way sila magsalita, the way sila kumanta, mala Korean yung pronunciation sa mga words. Pero BINI, iba. Pinoy na Pinoy, men. Dami nagka-crush dito sa kanila. Ako, parang halos lahat eh. Parang sila kaganda.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of
Astig,
it.
men. Kapakastig pakinggan.
Baby, it's common sense.
Nung nadinig ko yan, like, wow. Parang ibang pop to ah. Ibang P-pop to ah.
Well, I've got a lot of it.
Ah.
So, baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on the line. Let's have some fun.
Man, alam mo yun na, hindi trying hard na nagpapaka-astig. Pero ang astig pakinggan. Yun yung hinahanap-hanap ko na mga style. Yung natural lang. Pero sobrang suabe.
Yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it.
Napakaangas talaga nila. Bakit? Siguro guys, ang cute kasi ng damit, necklace, pink, blue, napaka girly. Pero the way sila kumanta, tsaka yung aura nila, ang astig.